Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Going Guitar. We have Jackson Wang here with the title song called Hate to Love. What a paradox there. Hate to love, love to hate. Anyway, cool song, and we have basically one chord progression that goes and rolls in the same way through the entire song. We love that scenario, and I love this guitar, this Ovation Blue Beast. Let's use this one, and this capo set on the first fret. That's the absolute best scenario for us. So let's dive into Hate to Love song, and we're gonna look at the chords now. We're gonna start with the D major 7, and that goes open D, second G, second B, and the second E. That means we can just place a short little bar there on the second fret and push down the last three strings, that the G, B, and E. All right, incorporate the open D string as well. From that, you're gonna go into keeping that second fret bar there and adding this fourth fret A string. And that is basically just to switch the bass notes from the open D string to this fourth fret A. So you keep everything in there and just add on the fourth fret A string. Okay, so that will be the D major 7 / C, and C sharp actually. And then next chord will be this B sus chord. So what you do there, you have a new bar on this second fret still, but you bar 5 strings if you count from bottom and up like this. Then you need to add fourth on this D string and fourth on the G. That's the B sus chord. And then finally, again, this is about switching bass notes. So from that, you're gonna go to this AC chord basically. So you keep the same bar there, 5 strings on the second fret, but now you release everything and just place a finger on the fourth fret A string, the C sharp bass again, popping out there. And that's the fourth and final chord, and then you just go back. So that will be the chord progression through the entire song. You have the D major, you have the D major / the C sharp, you have the B sus, and then this A / C chord. So that is how you're gonna switch the chords. Now, how are you gonna play them? Let's go through that. So we have a certain rhythm going on here. It goes like this. Back again. All right, so you're gonna work a little bit with bass and tops. That means you play on the bass strings of a chord and top on the higher strings down there. All right, so we can actually illustrate it with the B sus because it's easier. It covers more strings than just the D. So we have 5 strings incorporated here, so it's easier to separate the bass from the top strings. So that's why. So one pattern goes like this: bass, top, bass, bass, top, bass, bass, top, bass, top. Okay, so like this. Okay, so it's bass, top, bass, bass, top, bass, bass, top, bass, top. Okay, so And if you think that is hard to nail, you have to listen for the song, and I can also repeat my pattern here I'm using. So again, that is one round. Okay, so with that, we're gonna start from the beginning on the D major chord. You're gonna play exact that pattern we just learned. So it goes like this. And then you add on the C sharp note, that's 4th fret A string, keep everything else there, and just play down, down on the bass top. And then switch to the B sus. We just learned that pattern, exactly the same as the D major, and play that. And then you go to this A C chord, you just keep that bar there and reach out to the 4th fret A string and play down, down, bass top. And you're done one round. So slowly, one round goes like this. And in standard tempo, a little bit faster. And there you have it, guys. Jackson Wang, Hate to Love, or was it Love to Hate? I'm not sure. Anyway, give this one a try. 4 chords only, not too hard. So yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, play tuned.